Credit repair lightning round number 2. We're taking a look at payment history. Credit scoring algorithms break credit score up into 5 categories, and payment history is the largest part, making up 35% of the pie. So it basically means, do you pay your bills on time? Now, if you're late on a payment, if you're late on paying a bill ever, you have 30 late days before the lender makes a negative entry on your credit report. So you could be a week or two late, but there's 30, 60, and 90 days late. When you're late, that's late on a due date. Your due date's the last day you have to pay a bill or invoice. Report date's when the lender actually reports that to their credit bureaus. So setting up auto pay is one way to help ensure a positive payment history. It only takes a minute to set up, but can make a big difference. And you guys, late payments can remain on your credit reports for up to 7 years, with past 90 days being the most damaging. So it's important to stay on top of this stuff. Stay tuned for more lightning round videos.